Hello everyone, today we introduce how to Universal OCA laminator mode to laminate the Samsung A70. Now we can see we put the glass on the mold, align the OCA to the glass. Press the top mold and make sure the OCA stick on the rubber mold. Tear off the protecting film on the OCA and the glass. Put into our laminator machine. Now we can see the work time and the hot time is seen. Temperature is 38 degrees. The pressure is 1.5. Okay, let's check it. We can see there are some bubbles. We can put into our removing bubble machine to remove the bubble.